Hello everybody, I am Mike188 and this is a coffee machine from the movie G-Force, and it's a quite an old movie, but I liked the movie, so I decided to make one of these, and I think it turned out great. If you don't know, G-Force is a spy movie about guinea pigs being trained to do secret missions, and the plot was that appliances such as these would basically turn into robots, and basically they would run around and destroy stuff. And I gave some panel details and buttons, and I don't know what these buttons do, but they're there. And I haven't used an actual coffee machine like of this design, so yeah, I don't know. And this this over here is a feature for later, and I accidentally used it already. And let's just forget about that right now. So this is where the coffee is poured into the cups, and this is where the cup is placed. And I don't have any cups with me right now, but just to let you know, it's not going to fit any real cups in there because it's Lego. So because they turn into like these robots, I'm just going to show you how to do that. It's quite simple actually. First, we take this, and it's on it's on an arm thingy, and you just fold it forward like that. Then this piece over here will raise up and become like an eye, and this part, I think this is the coffee storage. It goes like this, and now it's an extra gun. And then we also take out this piece. This is storage for ammo. I just place it over here. And so now that that's out, all we have to do is pull this, and this piece specifically is connected to these pins over here. So when you're putting it back, make sure to press it sideways and not back, because it will destroy the model, sadly. So just so you're aware, there's 3 bones, and you want them orientated so that they're kind of like a zigzag pattern, and then this is straight down, and make sure that this is flat against this. And we just do that for all the other 3 legs. This one over here is connected like this. Oh, that's new. Anyways, we just do this, and oh, that hasn't happened before. I'm gonna be honest. If it breaks off, you just put it on the first pin over here. One more leg. And we would be done, but unfortunately this can't support its own weight, so I gave it some cheater legs over here, and it's just a couple of Technic pieces that are just jutting out to support the weight. So we just take these 2, and then take this part, and then push it in. It'll lock this so that this doesn't move around. Same thing over here, and then lock this, and you can twist these to fit your liking, but for now I'm just going to put it like this, and then bend this part down, and then when you place him it should theoretically stand on all 4 legs, including, actually technically has 6 legs. There we go. I have to move back the camera. There we have our coffee machine from GeForce. Over here I have a spring-loaded missile. You just press this and yeah, that shoots off. And luckily I have another missile over here to show how that works. Just put it in there. It definitely did not come off. Yeah, so the missile is over there. You just press down and I died. And that's pretty much it. It does have a lot of articulation, but because it's using cheater legs, I wouldn't recommend articulating it. It's got a ball joint over at the base, then it's got 2 more ball joints over there for the joints, and then 1 at the tip, and it pivots at the very end. I don't know if they do that in the movie, but yeah. This over here is meant to be a shield projector, although I haven't come up with a way to actually build like a giant blue shield over here. Yeah. This over here spins around to imitate shooting. And the eye over here can look up and look down, and maybe even inside itself if that's what you want it to do. And I'll just do a 360 spin so that you can see how it looks from all the sides, and you can see the cheater leg over there. And yes, it's hollow on the inside, which means you can put things inside if you want. Yeah, but then it's going to be hard to take out. And for a comparison, I'll bring over Sonic, because why not? It's just a minifigure. There you go. It's very big compared to minifigures, but it's almost real life scale actually, a little bit bigger, and someone might actually think it's a real coffee machine. And so let me know what you guys think, and if this video gets 50 likes, I'll create a video for instructions. Anyways, if you like this video, then obviously press the thumbs up. If you don't, then press the thumbs down. I won't judge you for that. And don't forget to subscribe, because I'd appreciate it a lot. And have a nice day or night, depending on when you're watching this.